Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E2407P. 50,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, diamond black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Grand Cherokee seats 5, leather interior. Outboard rear seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Removable privacy cover. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with the tilt-and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen 8.4-inch infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, dual zone automatic temperature control, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And this is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and 4-wheel drive. Storage in the armrest and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. For garage door opener, power liftgate, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has the 3.6-liter V6, 295 horsepower. And very clean under the hood. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 25 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.